Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can view who has seen your story on Snapchat. So I'm just going to hit my profile button on the top left corner of my screen. It's over here. And then as you can see, I have created a story, and I'm just going to select the story, and I'm just going to press on this one. And if I sort of scroll up, it'll show the people who has viewed my story on Snapchat. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can view who has seen your Snapchat story. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!